A defense mechanism is an unconscious psychological mechanism that reduces anxiety arising from unacceptable or potentially harmful stimuli. Repression is placing an unpleasant memory or thought in the unconscious. An example could be not remembering a traumatic event, such as witnessing a crime. Regression is reverting back to immature behavior from an earlier stage. An example is throwing a temper tantrum as an adult when you don't get your way. Displacement is redirecting unacceptable feelings to a safer target. For example, you take your anger towards your boss out on your children by yelling at them. Sublimation is replacing socially unacceptable impulses with socially acceptable behavior. An example could be channeling aggressive drives into playing football or boxing. Reaction formation is acting in exactly the opposite way to one's inner feelings. An example is acting unusually friendly towards your boss when you're actually very angry at them. Projection is attributing one's own unacceptable feelings and thoughts to others. For example, you say you cheated on an exam because everyone else cheats. Rationalization is creating excuses for one's unacceptable feelings or behavior. An example is saying you're drunk with friends just to be sociable.